time, we covered how taking on someone else's perspective can lead directly to the most probable reason and promising replacement for their disruptive behavior, as well as specific steps toward making that replacement a reality. But once we have all this information, how do we decide if and to what degree we're up for helping them make this adjustment? I'm Dana Hicks, a licensed clinical mental health counselor, and I have 6 steps toward constructing a solid game plan. Step 1 is name your responsibilities. So, independent of this whole problem, what are your personal, daily, and weekly responsibilities that you need to attend to in order to function in life? So an example might be, I have a full-time job to do, I have a marriage to nurture, I have children to provide for, and I have a house that needs frequent repairs. Step 2 is name your fuel. So list the activities that give you your needed energy for addressing your own personal responsibilities. So an example might be, I need my morning quiet time, my noon walk, and my alone time in the garden in the afternoon, so that throughout the day, I will have enough energy for addressing my own personal responsibilities. Step 3 is what's left over. So outside the time and energy block for your own personal responsibilities and the activities that fuel them, how much time and effort can you reasonably devote to helping this replacement become a reality? For example, out of everything that needs to be done to make this replacement a reality, including his admission that he needs help, finding a therapist, finding money to support the sessions, finding time, consistent time windows to put towards sessions, finding access to internet or a reliable source of transportation, the emotional support he's going to need, and the accountability he's going to need, and his openness to actually changing once he's in therapy. Out of all that, after I first consider my responsibilities and the resources that fuel them, outside of that, I have found that I can realistically devote 2 hours every Friday afternoon to helping him research for a therapist, and 1 hour a week from 6 to 7 to serve as an accountability partner and a sounding board for any adjustments that may be needed along the way. Step 4 is set expectations for them. So, out of all that big laundry list of things that need to be done, which ones of those will be solely up to them? Like, you're not touching that whatsoever. And also, what expectations would need to be met and within what time period, so that it would functionally support your continued relationship. So an example might be, this person is responsible wholeheartedly for admitting that he needs help, choosing and contacting the therapist, being consistent with sessions, and being open to change within the session. On the occasion that he is going to interact with his mother, I need a heads up beforehand and a day and time he's agreeing to at least speak with me within a week after that interaction, as well as follow through with that promise. Step 5 is consequence for unmet expectations. So, on the off chance that these expectations are not met, what adjustment to the relationship needs to happen so that you continue to have a functional social environment for yourself? So an example of this might be, So if these expectations aren't met, I'm going to need to stop initiating contact with this person. And depending on the occasion, reserve the right to decline any invitation he sends my way. So step 6 is make your backup plan. So make a list of all the things that you really enjoy about this current relationship and all the things that you know you're going to miss if this relationship were to disappear. And then for each quality, brainstorm different people that you already know. It might be more than one person that already have these qualities and start leaning into those relationships a little bit more. Also, think about what you're interested in and go join a new group that does just that so that you can meet new people. And look for those same qualities within the people that you meet there. To wrap up, considering your own personal responsibilities and the activities that fuel them helps you narrow down exactly how much time and energy you do have toward helping your friends. Also, considering your bare minimum friendship needs and how to adjust if necessary ensures that you will have a functional social environment no matter what anyone does. This way, you can feel confident about your functional future while simultaneously challenging your friend to grow and making sure that you do everything within your power to give the relationship its best shot. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe below with no strings attached.